Yes, welcome back to the discussion of third exercise related to similarity of triangles. Okay, so that is we are discussing this figure. We got the idea of this figure now, how this triangle DEF is similar to triangle PQR. Here we have to apply angle sum property of triangle. So then we got the idea that this angle is 30 degree and this angle is 70 degree. They balanced the three angles of this triangle, which is equal to three angles of this triangle. According to that condition, this triangle DEF is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, so we'll go to next question. That is second question. Yes, in the second question textbook we have, yes, see here, the second question is like this. Triangle ODC. Are you observing triangle ODC here? Triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. This triangle is similar to this triangle. Okay. Angle BOC is 125 degree. This angle. Here in the figure it is mentioned, no? Angle BOC is 125 degree. Angle CDO, this angle is 70 degree. Find three angles we have to find. Which three angles? DOC. This angle we have to find. Okay, so we'll take the color pens. Yeah. This angle we have to find. And DCO. This angle we have to find DCO. Then OAB. OAB. This angle we have to find. Okay, students. So these three angles we have to find. Given ODC triangle similar to OBA triangle. What is given here? This triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. Okay, so what is given actually? CDO 70 degree, BOC 125 degree. First write the given data one side. Solution. So you just observe here. DOB is one line. Are you observing one straight line here? DOB. Here 125. Are you observing linear pair here? DOB in that angle BOC plus angle DOC. Can we apply linear pair concept? Yes, first here. So this one angle DOC, this one DOC plus BOC, which is equal to 180 degree linear pair. So DOC plus this one is 125 degree, which is equal to 180. Therefore DOC is equal to 180 minus 125, that is 55 degree. Got the idea of the first question now? First angle, this one is over, that is 55 degree. So next, you can take this triangle DOC, triangle DOC. Already you got the second angle also according to linear pair concept. 70, 55. Can you apply angle sum property of triangle to find out the third angle DCO? Yes, you can apply angle sum property. That is, in a triangle DOC, DOC plus OCD plus CDO is equal to 180 degree. That is ASPT. 55 plus DCO plus 70 is equal to 180. After the calculation, you will get DCO is equal to 55 degree. Okay, now you got the three angles, right? This one 70, this one 55. Okay, then this one is also 55. Now remaining is this one we have to find out. So what is given actually? This triangle is similar to this triangle. Okay, similarity condition. Can we use the similarity condition for in similarity condition? Corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal alva. So similar triangles and the condition is corresponding angles are equal. Now corresponding angles yavudattadilli in triangle ODC similar to triangle OBA, then OCD which is equal to OAB. OCD which is equal to OAB. This OCD which is equal to OAB. So this OCD, because ಇಲ್ಲಿ 55 ಇದ್ರೆ vertically opposite angle ಪ್ರಕಾರ here you will get 55. So then this angle corresponds to this angle. Okay, so then OCD which is equal to OAB, corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. Therefore OAB, OCD how much you got? 55 degree. That's why AOB is also 55 degree. Is that clear, students? So corresponding. So whenever we are discussing the congruency of triangle, no, imagine ಇದನ್ನ cut ಮಾಡಿ just ಈಗ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದು ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಫಾಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಫಾಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್. ಸೊ angle OCD which is equal to angle OAB. So corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. Therefore OAB is also equal to 55 degree. Is that clear, students? Yes. So next question we'll take. Third question. I'll take the next screen 1 second. Third question. Yeah, here we have question with answer here. Okay. So third question. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to CD intersect each other at the point O. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD, okay, with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at O. Using similarity criterion for two triangles, show that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. This OA by OC which is equal to OB by OD. Given ABCD is a trapezium, AB parallel to CD is given. To prove, already here they have mentioned, no proof. OA divided by OC is equal to OB divided by OD. So now in a triangle, choose these two triangles, triangle AOB and triangle DOC. So we are observing that this angle is equal to this, and here lines are parallel in the sense one side Z shape, alternate angles are equal. If we take it in the reverse shape, these angles are also equal. Here in this triangle AOB, all the three angles are equal to all the three angles of this triangle. According to AA criteria, these two triangles are similar. Look at this one solution. In a triangle AOB and in a triangle COD, this OAB which is equal to OCD. How? This is alternate angle. Next to OBA, reverse OBA which is equal to ODC, reverse side. Okay, ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು, ನಿಮ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ AOB is equal to COD. According to that condition, AAA criteria, we can say that triangle AOB similar to triangle COD. So from this we can say that the two triangles are similar in the sense, so sides are in proportion, the corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore OA divided by OC which is equal to OB divided by OD. So why OA divided by OC only? Corresponding sides ಇವೆರಡೇ ಯಾಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. See students, ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. We cannot actually fold this one in the same way. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಡ್ಚಿಬಿಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನ 9th ಅಲ್ಲೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ರಿಹೆನ್ಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೀಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದು ಹೀಗ್ ಜೋಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಲಿಸನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರ, ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಲ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ OA ಗೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ OC. ಅದೇ ತರ ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ OB ಗೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ OD. I think you have got the clear picture of this corresponding sides concept now. So therefore this triangle is similar to this triangle. So this OA divided by OC which is equal to OB divided by OD. Hence proved. This is the third question. Is that clear, students? So we'll go to fourth one. Afterwards I'll give time for the discussion. Okay, at least we'll finish up to third over. Where is the fourth one? I think the last one. 1 second. 10th, third, yeah, fourth question. Here we have fourth question. Okay, so fourth question, what we have? QR by QS. This QR by QS which is equal to QT by PR, which is equal to QT by PR. This condition is given. This QR by QS which is equal to QT by PR. So and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Here they have given the angle 1 is equal to angle 2. If the picture is not clear, you can use the textbook. Okay. So while sitting for the online class, so keep one notebook, pen and your textbook also, mathematics textbook. Okay. So in that, are you observing only this much part is angle 2? Okay, this is angle 1. This angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is given. Show that triangle PQS. Show that this triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. This PQS triangle is similar to triangle TQR. TQR. Question is right now. QS divided by QR divided by QS is equal to QT divided by PR. QT divided by PR. Now, so first list out the given data. QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. To prove is these two triangles are similar. So proof in a triangle PQR. In a triangle PQR, we are taking this triangle PQR. Are you observing the cursor here? In a triangle PQR, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. That is, we are using the given data. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. We are not writing in the form of angle 1 is equal to angle 2. We are naming actually. Angle 1 andre angle PQR, angle 2 andre angle PRQ. Okay, in a triangle PQR, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Hagadre, can we use any triangle property here? These two angles are equal in the sense in this triangle. Is it an isosceles triangle? Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Yes, PQ which is equal to PR. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. PQ which is equal to PR. Clear? So, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆ given data ಇಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Now, one more data is given. QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. So, ನೋಡಿ ಈ data ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Now, take QR by QS as it is. QT by this PR anna can we replace as QP because PR is replaced as PQ equal. So, just replace QR by QS is equal to QT by QP. Now, you just take the ratio QR. Where is that QR divided by QS which is equal to QT divided by QP. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ angle 1 is common. Angle 1 is common. See the ratio. This QR by QS which is equal to QT divided by QP and also angle 1 that is included angle is common for both the triangles. Therefore, this PQS triangle which is similar to big triangle TQR. Correct, no? Because we took the ratio, the two sides, corresponding sides are in proportion. That is QR by QS. We got the result as this QR by QS which is equal to QT by QP. Okay, two sides we covered are in proportion and plus one angle that is angle 1 is common. SAS, according to that condition, we can say that triangle PQS similar to triangle PQR. Okay, triangle PQS similar to triangle PQR. Is that clear, students? 2 participants waiting in the lobby page. Okay, now we'll go to next question, 5th question. Actually, these are all homework part. You only have to work out. If you are having any confusion, then only we have to clarify. But still, it's a geometry part now. That's why I'm explaining each and every problem. So, we'll go to the 5th question. I think many students, they have finished these problems yesterday only. Yeah, here we have small question, 5th question. S and T are points on sides. This S and T are points on sides PR and QR of triangle PQR. This S is a point on PR, T is a point on QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. this angle is equal to this angle. Mark, they have marked, no? Show that triangle RPQ, bigger one, okay, is similar to triangle RTS, here smaller one. Okay, triangle RPQ is similar to this triangle RTS. So in a triangle RPQ and in a triangle RTS, angle QPR is equal to angle SRT. So one angle is common in both the triangle, that is big triangle allo angle R we can observe. In the small triangle also angle R we can observe, common angle. Angle R is common for both the triangle. And one more data is given. Angle P is equal to angle RTS, that is angle QPR is equal to angle STR athwa RTS. So already two angles over in the sense according to angle sum property of triangle. Third angle is also equal, no? So if two angles are equal in this two triangles, then we can use the AA criteria. So we can say that this triangle is similar to this. Very simple, only two steps problem. Got the clear picture, no? So it is clear, one angle is common and another one angle is given data only. So from this we can conclude that the two triangles are similar according to AA criteria. Okay students, we'll go to sixth question now. Yes, sixth problem is like this. Triangle ABE, this triangle. Triangle ABE, this triangle, congruence to triangle ACD. Just observe the cursor properly. ABE, one second. Triangle ABE, this triangle is, okay, congruence to, are you observing the symbol here? Congruence symbol only, no? Sixth question, yes, congruence to triangle ACD. Show that triangle ADE, this triangle ADE similar to this triangle ABC. Are you observing our proof? Actually what we have to prove here, this ADE triangle similar to ABC we have to prove. For that given data is this ABE similar to ACD. So given, first write the given data. Triangle ABE is congruence to triangle ACD. So in congruent triangles, corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal, no? Hagadre, can we write AB is equal to AC in triangle ABE and in triangle ACD, corresponding parts, that is AB is equal to AC. Then AE which is equal to AD also we can take. AE which is equal to AD. Idu base alla, ಈ triangle ಹೀಗಿದೆ, ಹೀಗೊಂದು triangle ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ triangle ಅಲ್ಲಿ AE, ಈ triangle ಗೆ AD, AE which is equal to AD, ಎರಡು ಡಾಟಾವನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, CP CT ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೀರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. AB is equal to AC, AD which is equal to AE. ಅಂದ್ರೆ actually AB which is equal to AC, then AD which is equal to AE. Now what we have to do, AB divided by AC ಮಾಡಿ. AB divided by AC ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Because we need the proof. For that we have to think in a different way. Now we are taking this AB divided by AC. Can we write it as 1? Because AB which is equal to AC ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ AB by AB ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಅಲ್ವಾ? AB divided by AC ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ which is equal to 1, because AB by AC is nothing but AB by AB or AC by AC. Okay, next AD, this AD divided by AE, this AD divided by AE also we can take it as 1, because this AD which is equal to AE, so the ratio equal. So AB by AC equal to 1, AD by AE is also equal to 1. So according to axiom 1, things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. So from that result we got that AB by AC equal to AD by AE. So listen carefully, only one step. AB by AC equal to AD by AE, how? Because both are equal to 1. Now just exchange. What we have to exchange? So that is AE. So what we have to exchange? We have to transfer this AE to this side. Take this AB to this side. Are you observing the cursor here? ಸೊ ಎ ಇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಎ ಬಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ. ಸೊ ಎ ಇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಎ ಇ ಬೈ ಎ ಸಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಎ ಡಿ ಬೈ ಎ ಬಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಎ ಬಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಎ ಇ ಬೈ ಎ ಸಿ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಡಿ ಬೈ ಎ ಬಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ನಾವು ಒಂದು ರೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ವಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಟುಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ವಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ as a denominator of this RHS part. So here we got the result as AE by AC which is equal to AD by AB. Okay, that AD by AB which is equal to AE by EC. How we got this result actually? What we are observing in the diagram? See here, this AE by EC, AE by AC, AE by AC which is equal to AD by AB. AE by AC which is equal to AD by AB result we got, and also we can observe this angle A is common. Angle A is common. Okay, angle A is common here. So using the SAS rule, can we say that this triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC? So here I think you got the idea of this step now. So AE by AC which is equal to AD by AB. So next AD by AB which is equal to AE by, this one is AC only. Okay, AC. So proportion, sides are in proportion. Here you just observe in the figure. AD by AB which is equal to AE by AC. This one is AC. Next one angle is common. ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನ AD ಸೈಡ್, ದಿಸ್ AB ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನ ಸೈಡ್ ಗೆ ಓಕೆ ರೇಷಿಯೋ, ದೆನ್ ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ AE ಸೈಡ್, ದೆನ್ ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ AC ಸೈಡ್. So are in proportion with one included angle, that is angle A. So ADE triangle similar to triangle ABC. Got the idea? No, here you just correct that one. So this is not EC, that is AC. Is that clear, students? This is 6th question. So what we did actually here? So here which trick we applied? Just exchanging. Is that clear? Okay, one more question we'll explain. I think Veda sir is waiting. So we'll finish for this problem. Okay. 7th question. This is very simple question actually. Altitudes AD and CE. Altitudes are given. AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at P. This altitudes CE matte AD intersecting at the point P. Show that. So what we have to show here? This triangle AEP similar to this triangle. Then triangle AEP, this triangle is similar to triangle ADP. Okay, not ADP, not ADB, sorry. Triangle AEP, just will check the question in the textbook also. In a triangle, first proof is triangle AEP similar to triangle CDP, this triangle and this triangle. Second one, triangle ADB. Oh sorry, I'm reading, I have to read this one, the second one. Triangle ABD similar to triangle CBE, similar to triangle CBE. Next, third one, triangle AEP similar to triangle ADB. Okay, triangle ADB. Then fourth one, triangle PDC. Preeti. See here, fourth one, triangle PDC similar to triangle BEC. So here four problems, four parts we have to prove. Okay, first we'll take the first one. That is triangle AEP similar to triangle CDP. Triangle AEP similar to triangle CDP. AEP, CDP. Are you observing the two triangles? So if you want this triangle and this triangle. Okay. So now I will check. Wait. Okay. Yes. See, with these two triangles, we have to show the similarity. Very simple. Every data is direct only. So in the two triangles, we are observing that this AEP, here 90 in the sense here also 90, no? This angle and this angle CDP both are 90 degree. Then here are you observing here intersecting point in the sense vertically opposite angles are equal. Therefore, AA criteria wise this triangle is similar to this. Very simple. First part is over. Now you take the second one, that is in a triangle. Now I'll mark the two triangles now. Which two triangles we have to state for the second one? That is triangle ABD, this one. Next triangle CBE. Again ಒಂದೇ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಾರ್ಕು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಓಕೆನಾ. ABD ಮತ್ತೆ CBE ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಾಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ? ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ABD ಮತ್ತೆ CBE. Yes, B angle is common here. Picture, while observing the picture for this similarity we have to be very careful. Pencil itಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. See this triangle and this triangle, in that angle B is common angle. Then angle ADB 90 degree, angle CEB both are 90 degree. This angle and this angle 90 degree. So according to AA criteria, so the two triangles are similar. Very simple question now. Here 4 parts we have to prove, but the simple questions, okay. All the 4 are really easy. AEP and ADP. Now AEP and ADP. So where is that AEP? Here AEP is again first this one. ADP, sorry ADB, this one. Okay, in AEP and ADB, are you observing something? So this AEP and ADB 90 degree. Then angle PAE which is equal to BAD. One angle is common in both the triangle, that is angle A. Therefore, according to that IAA criteria, two triangles are similar. Okay, is it clear now? Last one, PDC. Where is that PDC? PDC is here. Okay, this triangle is similar to BEC. Where is that BEC? BEC, this one. This and this one. Okay, this small triangle and this triangle. Here also same thing. 90 degree, one concept sigatte. Next one angle is common. That is angle C is common in both the triangle. Therefore, according to AA rule, we can say that triangle PDC similar to triangle BEC. 7th question is very simple question now students. So for all we are using 90 degree and one common angle. Okay, all the 4 parts. For all the 4 parts, we are using AA rule. So completely it is related to AA similarity criteria. So one 90 degree angle and one what is that? Common angle. But in the first one, vertically opposite angle. We used one vertically opposite angle. This is about the 7th question. Is that clear students? Yes. Now, last question. Can we end for this problem? 8th one. Then 9th, 10th, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and for tomorrow also again many problems remaining. It's okay. We'll end for 8th problem because sir is waiting. E is a point on the side AD. E is a point on the side AD. So E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersects CD. BE intersects CD at F. Show that triangle ABE. Show that triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB. This AEB triangle is similar to triangle CFB. We have to show. So what is the question? E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram. AD parallelogram na AD side ana produce ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. Then BE, this BE intersect CD. If this BE side intersects CD side at point F, show that this triangle, big triangle ABE, similar to this triangle CFB. So what is given here? ABCD is a parallelogram. It is given. So we'll start the problem with the given data. ABCD is a parallelogram in the sense AB parallel to BC, AB parallel to DC and also this another pair AD parallel to BC, right? So here we took this AD parallel to BC condition in the parallelogram. Both pair of opposite sides are parallel. If this AD parallel to BC, so we can take this AE is also parallel to BC, no? Because D is a point on AE only. So that's why if AD parallel to BC, this AE is also, because this E is a produced part of AD side only, that's why AE parallel to BC. Now what we can take is angle AEB. Here we can observe the Z shape angles, that is angle AEB which is equal to angle FBE. Here he go big. Okay, now this angle which is equal to this alternate angle. Next, in the triangle ABE, which two triangles we have to show the similarity? This bigger one ABE and this one, no? So now we have to apply any one criteria. In these two triangles, AEB is equal to FBC. Now only we proved that. Okay. So AEB is equal to FBC because alternate angles. Next to angle A. Angle EAB which is equal to angle BCF. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು. EAB which is equal to BCF. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಗೋಬಿಟ್ರಪ್ಪ? So very simple, because ABCD is a parallelogram ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ angle A ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕವರ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ angle C ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕವರ್ ಆಯ್ತು. Clear alva? So this angle which is equal to this, because in parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So now this one set, another set, two angles are equal, in the sense we can say that according to AA similarity criteria, triangles are similar. Is that clear, students? Up to 8th question our discussion is over. See, if you are having any doubts, Karthik Goda is waiting. 1 second, students. Participants. Yes, I think we can end the class for today. Yes. Okay, students, then we'll meet tomorrow. So if you are having any doubts, you can ask me now. Only 2 minutes time is remaining. Okay. Yes, otherwise we'll meet you tomorrow.